Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to activate WaganR VXI security alarm and thief alarm. Okay, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, press button on this dashboard. Okay, hold button to enter menu, press once again to change option, press once again, hold button to enter security. You see yes 2, hold once again to enter this yes 2. Okay, there is a option SL1, SL2. SL2 is selected. I want to select SL1 to activate alarm. Okay, hold button to select. Okay, you see on screen successful. This is alarm is activated. Okay, hold back to exit and to exit. Okay, let's check alarm is activated or not. Hit car to check alarm. Okay, hit once again and check. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.